Hello sisters, it's Shaggy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have decided to make 4 Halloween special makeup videos and upload those videos in every weekend of October. And another extra special video for Halloween day. So let's skip this speech and get into the video. So I'm starting off with removing my makeup from my mouth area. So I have removed my makeup from my mouth area because I'm going to apply latex directly onto my skin so it will stick properly. So I'm applying the latex directly onto my skin. I'm not applying the latex into my lips because we have to cut that part with scissors. It smells too bad. Now I'm applying the tissue. You have to make at least 5 to 6 layers of tissue papers because you need a perfect thickness. Now I'm using my blow dryer to dry this thing out properly. Now the tissue is dried properly. And I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm using the cream foundation from Kryolan Supra Color because I don't know, if I use the liquid one then maybe it can break out or anything else, by the way. doesn't match with my skin tone, so I'm using a pinkish blush to match it with my skin tone. Okay, so still it's little bit lighter. So now I'm using a coral blush. Now it's time for contouring my nose. And now I'm taking the medium brown shade from Jaclyn Hill X Morphe eyeshadow palette. If you want to choose any other shade, then you can. Now I'm applying the highlighter. Is it glowing? Okay now? Okay. Mascara time! Ho ho ho!
A few minutes later.
So now I'm going to cut the tissue with the scissors, and be careful if you are doing this, because if you are not careful then you can harm yourself. Just try to do the way I am doing. So now I'm applying a red lipstick onto my mouth and inner corners of the tissues. And now a dark brown eyeshadow into my mouth. And finally I'm applying the fake blood. And finally it's time for stitch my mouth. And again, be very careful. After that, I'm applying some fake blood into my neck. So this is our final look of Halloween special makeup tutorial part 1. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so you will get notification when I upload a brand new video. And I will come back next Sunday with another Halloween special makeup tutorial. So for now, goodbye.